Hello. Um, this is just a quick informal video I thought I'd make because this is my Lenovo P53 that I will get a video out about this soon. But a problem came up last week, and that was that the RAID 1 configuration that I had set up with the two SSDs apparently has failed. So I'm gonna need to rebuild it, and I thought it would be fun to just chronicle that. So this will just be an informal video. As you can see, no tripod, just cell phone footage. But so yeah, I'll come back when this is finished backing up and I'm ready to do the RAID rebuild. So here we have the firmware setup utility, and I have finished the backup. So now, and as you can see, it says degraded, and let's see, error occurred, which means I've run multiple tests and there are no physical defects with the disk, it seems. So I'm going to try resetting it to non-RAID, and hopefully this will leave my files intact so I don't have to use the backup. So now I can just rebuild. And now it's rebuilding, and I will come back when that is done. So it here we have it working correctly, and it turns out that the firmware screen was not where it was going to start rebuilding the RAID. I only realized that about 5 or 6 hours after I thought I had started it. This screen is, so I'll keep that in mind next time I need to rebuild a RAID using the Intel system. But yeah, it only took like 5 minutes to rebuild completely, so that was nice. So yeah, both sorry about that, but both drives are functioning normally. And then the RAID as a whole, the status is normal. So yes. So yeah, thanks for watching this quick little video, and I will get a video out on this computer soon. And yeah, I hope you have a good evening.